It's Mark at successonthefly.com on the World Wide Web with a very quick learn out loud video, something that I've stumbled across recently and having some great success with, is a video, audio and text application called VideoAsk. And it's very simple to set up. Record some videos which are great for answering questions, inviting people to ask questions of you. You could do small and short product demonstrations. You're only limited by your imagination. Great for engaging leads and sales opportunities. And with the shareable links that are created and the embeddable links, for example, this is one of mine that's on a email follow-up after someone has come through my one of my lead generation flows, and I've also included it right here within one of my messaging flows, and just by tapping the chat to Mark, it will pop up. Also, it resides on my one of my website pages. So you can see here where it says here to help. I'll just tap on that, and immediately the application starts.
Hello and welcome. Mark Huber, successonthefly.com, head honcho here, helping individuals and business owners perhaps.
Okay, and we'll just stop it. Let's assume that as a consumer, I wanted to ask a question, and so text the question. Then, in my back office, okay, let me just get to the right email address. Then I am alerted to the individual's Ask video interaction with me. And so just tapping show me, it'll take me to the my back office, and it'll show the in my case the text message, but it could also be an audio file, or it could actually be a person's a video question. So so very cool, and I just thought that this could be helpful to you and your business, because it's all about engaging with people, giving them quick answers and directions to whatever they've got on their mind, so that you can be more helpful and more easily lead them to a buy decision, which would hopefully be you. So just a tool that is going to work, I think, very well for you. Check out Ask Video, and I'll actually leave a link to this Ask Video so you can use it and chat with me. Look forward to talking with you very soon, and in the meantime, all the best of continued success. Mark Huber from beautiful Vancouver, over and out.